Hello, my name is Alex Riefenstahl. I am the chief pilot for Three-Legged Crow, a drone service provider here in the great state of Texas. And inside of this humble box is something I'm really excited to be able to share with you guys. It's a brand new drone made by Autel. It's the EVO 2 Dual 640T. What's special about it is it has a radiometric thermal camera built in side by side with its standard digital camera. It's going to be a game changer for me, and I'm really glad I could share this with you. So let's dispense with words and see what's inside. Okay, packaging is always a good plus. Just have to be careful with these things. You're going to feel awfully stupid if you end up cutting something you don't want to. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I have been looking forward to this for literally years. I've got a lot of mileage out of the FLIR camera I've been using, but it's an older system. Oh. If I look like a kid at Christmas, there's a reason. It wasn't. Okay, joking about good packaging. Let's see if we can get this out of the overpack. Box shuffle. All right. So unlike the package that came with my other Autel EVO, this is very, well, basic. I don't actually mind that at all. This was made to be a work drone, and frankly, I don't really need a whole lot of fancy packaging. So, let's see if I can manage to figure out how to open the rest of this up. I'm sure there will be some fancy packaging in here at some point. It's inevitable. But that's kind of the fun of it, right? You know? There's tab one. Oh, okay. So, handles up. There it is. So it's not a Pelican case, and I don't remember them saying anything about this being any sort of waterproof, but it has all the look and feel of a case like that. Let's see. Well, there's a trick to it. You have to pull these tabs down. For a second, I was sitting there like, why can't I get this open? I clearly should be able to get this open. Oh. Ta-da! This wonderful machine here, let you know, look at it. I have a lot of confidence in this drone. It was made to be a Mavic killer, and I would say that they succeeded. Aside from the fact that it's not burdened, let's say, if you're working in the commercial capacity and have your FAA authorizations, about having to go through extra steps to unlock it. The other part about it is, the reason I chose this was I had been using a DJI Matrice with a X1 FLIR camera attached to it. But this, if you're familiar with the DJI product, is infinitely more compact by comparison. I mean, seriously. All right, so looks pretty much the same way. Comes out of the case. Cords, of course. Stickers from Vertex on the end. These are the people that I bought this through, and I was super happy to work with my sales rep. I would encourage you to give them a call if you have questions about Autel products or DJI products, or just really any product in general. I'm sure they're happy to let you pick their brain. So what else have we got in here? We have, this is, I guess, our authentication card here with all of our serial numbers. Boring, but very important. C, car charger, base charger. Let's see what else here. Rest of the charger. Come back at me. Okay. Ground station. Now, I was approached about the idea through my sales rep about getting their new larger display. But to be honest with you, the tablet I've been using I was pretty happy with to begin with. Plus, I've had confidence again in the built-in display. And while if you have to use it, it's not particularly sexy, it does help you get the job done. You know, you don't have to actually stop and say, I have to work out this technical issue with the connectivity about my phone or my tablet. You can basically just use it right away. Law enforcement and search and rescue use it for that capacity too. You know, they just pull it out. They don't bother connecting something to the controller. They just go and fly it with the controller. Because again, the screen, you know, an older model smartphone size screen, it's good enough. Especially what I do. It comes with 3 batteries. One of those trays. Hey, they're all alive. And over in this corner, oh, it's a charging hub. Assuming I don't need to pack that, there's also, you know, a nice cavity there. Charging hubs are great, but if you have a lot of time, sometimes they just take up a lot of room, you know. And props. I am super happy. The next step is to go and test this bad boy, but for now I would say that this has been a successful unboxing. Thank you for watching, and look forward to updates about what this machine compares with some of the other drones that I've flown, as well as some of the other thermal camera systems that I operate. Till then, thank you very much, and goodbye.